Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about chicken wings. I call my mama in the middle of the night. I be like, Mama, I need some chicken wings. Last night, I didn't sleep last night. I was thinking about some chicken wings. Yeah, I ain't gotta say something. I ain't gotta say nothing. Girl, if I love you, I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it. Yeah. What up, gangster? I am the Carmen. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. What up, gangster? I am the Carmen. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, everybody love me. Everybody want me. I am the Carmen. I love chicken. I like cars. Yeah, this is the way I am. I never give a fuck about nobody. All I care about my chicken wings. This is the way I am. This is the way she is. This is the way he is. I never give a fuck about nobody. All I care about my chicken wings. There is nothing better than the Chevy with a 24. There's nothing better than a Chevy with a 22. Chevy, 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 Chevy. Go! Guys, looking at the fire. That fire look very nice. Look at it. Wow. Very nice, guys. if you live in Lexington and you need that ginger, you can go to the Haitian market in Lexington and get that ginger. They are. Let me see how many inside. There are 20 of them inside. Yeah, a lot. I still have a lot left. You see, if you need that ginger, if you want to try it out, just go down there and pick it up.
Whoa, guys, finally we get some good stuff, guys. We got some good chicken tender. Whoa, wow. I'm having a good time, guys. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Wow. Guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys. Whoa. Wow. I love it. Whoa. Wow. You have some fish right here. I love it. Whoa. Guys, that's good stuff, y'all. Let me try it with some wings. Let me try it with some wings. One. Let me try it with some wings. Yeah. Oh. That is good, man, y'all. Chicken tender. Wow. Yum. Wow. God, that's a good meal. Wow. God bless me, y'all. Wow. Wow. That's a good meal. Wow. Wow. That's good out. Well, that's a good meal out. Well, that's a good meal. I'm blessed, y'all. I'm blessed, y'all. Wow. Guys, I'm hungry to eat so guys. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Chicken tender, guys. Chicken tender. I'm hungry though. Wow. God bless me. God bless me. God bless me, y'all. Whoa. Whoa. I got them fish right now. Whoa. Whoa. I love it. God. Today's a very beautiful day, guys. Wow. God bless me, y'all. Some water, though. Wow. Good. Love it. Guys. Yeah, Darn. Wow. Guys, I'm having a good time, guys. Wow. I'm fucking blessed. I'm blessed, y'all. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel now. I have a lot of stuff coming out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of stuff coming out, y'all. Yeah. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That is a good meal. That is a good meal. That is a good meal, man. Look at that coleslaw. It's good, though. Fire, man. It's good stuff. Yeah. That is a bless, man. That is a bless. Sit down, eat good meal like that. That is a bless, man. Yeah. That is the bliss, y'all. I'm sitting down, I'm eating some good meal like this. I say bless. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of stuff coming out now, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. God bless y'all. I'm out. Thank you. Thank you.